Hi everyone, welcome to the video. I'm just going to make a little encaustic painting using just silver wax, number 26 on the colour chart, my iron and some of the black painting card. Melt some of the silver. You can use these as like a little winter scene. Just run it through a couple of times, giving a bit of a texture to your card. Just slightly move my card round, point at iron and just jiggle with it, pushing some hills in. 2, 3 lots. So I've just got silver down long edge and I'm just going to tap the two surfaces together now to create a different texture. And then I'm trying to split some of that out now with that long edge. That don't look too bad. And then saw along the bottom. Path. You've seen me do loads and loads of these, but I just thought I'd show one just in silver, little bird. If you've enjoyed watching this, please subscribe to the channel. It's really easy, just click the red button, it's totally free. Really does help us. And pop a little tree on here as well. If you've got any suggestions of things you want me to cover using any of the encaustic tools, feel free to pop them in comments. We always check comments, and it might take a while for me to film it, but we will get round to everything. And there we go.